in the building with yet another video, and as I said in my last the Works on Toast video, I am going to be doing a Charlie's Kitchen pie review. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. Sorry guys, I'm pretty puffed out. Just finished having a shower, all fresh, all nice, all slick, you know what I'm saying? So I'm ready to have breakfast here over here. So I'm not too sure which pie is which besides this one. This one will be bacon and egg. When I got it out of the oven, I mixed it up, so it's gonna be a Kinder surprise. And you know we love surprises. Not really, but we do like surprises. But yeah, but before we start with this video, I just want to say that today marks a special day for my family. 25 years ago, my mum and her brother, which is, yeah, basically my mum and her brother lost their mum 25 years ago. She's my namesake, so my first name I won't be telling you guys, but she's my namesake. I hold that name close to my heart. But yeah, it's just an emotional day today. 25 years, man. 25 years. So my mum and my uncle were pretty young. My mum was probably around my age, my uncle being, you know, 10, 11 or something like that, really young. But it is sad, you know what I'm saying? Like, when it comes to my mum, only having a mum, it sort of becomes emotional, because you know what I mean? Okay, I don't want to talk about it, I'm gonna get emotional, but yeah. So just rest in peace to my nana and my grandpa, but my nana today. So yeah. Okay, let me just yeah, I'm okay guys. Sorry if the video is too bright. The room was pretty dark, so I had to brighten it up. And sorry if I look like I've been doing drugs lately. I have. No, I haven't. Okay, let's get into this damn review, right? I'm just gonna keep going on and on and on. Okay, because I know this one's bacon and egg. I hope it's bacon and egg. So I'm just gonna show you guys the size of the pie. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped a piece of gold right there. But yeah, this is the size of the pie. It's $5. I mean, now this is worth $5, you know what I mean? There's pies around here that are like freaking $5 and they're not even that good. But this is worth the $5. Pies back in the day like this would probably be $1, $2 or something. So yeah, this is bacon and egg. That's the size. My hand's pretty big, so this is my face. Yep. So let's cut it in half, guys, so you guys can see. So these are the frozen pies that we got. They're not the fresh pies, but even the frozen pies, you warm it up, it tastes just as, you know, like it came out of the oven. Oh mate, woohoo! Sorry about my background, guys. Just reminds me of Retara bakeries. Guys, when I say I took a bite and the juices came out, the eggs are so juicy, like honestly. Came out of the fridge and it's juicy as, like, honestly guys. Top is a bit crispy. It's just right. I hate it when there's too much when the pastry's really like there's a lot of it. I forgot what you call it. Oh, this tastes so good, guys. It's like Chef Ramsay cooked the eggs, you know what I'm saying? Like the eggs are so fluffy. Even after being in a freezer, you warm it up, put it in the oven. Eggs are very like fluffy. The bacon is just right, like not too much. I hate the shredded ones, you know what I mean? Oh, this is so good, guys. Nothing beats Otara Walk-In Bakery. Their bacon and egg pie. They usually just have the whole egg and then the rest is veggies. Oh, now that pie is juicy as hell, man. So I got steak and mushrooms, steak and cheese, and pork and watercress. I'm trying to figure out which is which, but oh my gosh guys, you have to go and try this if you're in Melbourne. Or like if you're from like another state in Australia and you want good pies, this is a good place to come to. People in New Zealand don't need to try the pies here, you know. You guys got all the goodness back home. And I'm guessing, yes. Oh my gosh, I had this pie yesterday. Steak and mushroom, y'all. Oh, let me show you guys both. A lot of gravy. Love it. Like they have nice sized steak in there, so it's not too big for when little kids eat it. But when they do have thick chunks, oh my gosh, I froth it. Cause I haven't eaten steak in a long time. Like I don't really feel like it. Steak just melts in your mouth. I don't know how that happens. It's like it fell off the bone, but I don't know how to explain it. It's just so good, so moist. Ah. Let me tell you guys, I love my mushrooms. This is like a whole ass meal in a pie. You know what I'm saying? The gravy they used, and it goes just well with the pastry too, like not too thick, not too like hard or soft. Wow. Now if there's a steak, mushroom and mashed potato pie, you got me. You know, if you guys know of any places that have a mashed potato, steak and mushroom pie, let me know. It's probably bad, but I want to try it. Oh, fat piece of steak. Can you guys see it? Oh my gosh. I don't know what kind of gravy they used. It's just so good, bud. When I was steak and cheese pies, it reminds me of back home when me and my family used to always go bakeries Saturday, Sunday morning, get hot bread, heaps and heaps of pies. We'll probably have like 4 each, even if it's Big Ben pies. Oh, Big Ben steak and cheese, mince and cheese with corn toss. Oh my, I used to always dip my corn toss chips in the pie. Anyways, let's carry on. But alright, show the next one. I've been talking too much, the time is getting too long. Oh my gosh. Oh yes! I was hoping to get this one. Pork and watercress, guys. I tried this in my first ever video, you guys would have seen. I can sass all these pies, but you know, let me not be greedy here. See that pork and watercress, guys? Oh, it's like a soup in a pie, like. If you feel like a soup and a pie, this is a good pie. Man, I just can't give it over this flavor, man. Pork is succulent and juicy. Oh my gosh. The watercress is just right. I don't know what stock they used for this, but No, it's not focusing. Big chunks of pork too, love it. But it's easy to bite off, not like steak. No. So the last pie would definitely be steak and cheese, guys. Guys, if you've never tried pork and watercress pie, I suggest you try. I've never ever heard of pork and watercress pie till we tried Charlie's chicken. And so again, I'll have the description below in the description box of where Charlie's kitchen is and stuff like that, you know what I mean? And follow them on Facebook. So this is the steak and cheese. It looks like the steak and mushroom. Light. I can smell the cheese. It's not like Big Ben pies in that way, or normal bakery pies in New Zealand where the cheese is actually like yellow. Can't really see the cheese here. Again, the steak is so like just melts in your mouth, you know what I mean? Every time we do go to Charlie's kitchen, there's always heaps of people there. Sorry for me eating slow, guys. I'm just trying to embrace that flavour because I know it's going to be a while till we go again. Because it's like, no one wants to drive like 30 minutes or whatever, or to an hour to get pies, you know. So we just suffer with like the stink pies we have around here and stuff like that. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, thank you for coming, thank you for joining, thank you for watching, and don't be shy to hit that subscribe button, y'all. Don't be shy. But yeah, you guys have to try Charlie's Kitchen out. Don't forget, I have it in the description box below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, fam. And thank you guys for being loyal to me. Sorry. Oh, sorry, I keep burping. Okay, thank you guys for being loyal to me. I truly appreciate it. I love you all. And see you in the next video, guys. 12 hours over.